Good morning everyone. We are starting out the vlog pretty late today. I just finished work and then showered and then I'm getting ready to go out because I have a few chores to do. I need to go to the bank and then go get my clothes altered and then go to the grocery stores for something for dinner. And this week I think would be interesting. I have not been to office in a while, so I think I should go into office this week too. So I look rough, but it's fine. I got a new backpack because my last one has been with me, thrown around, traveling for the last 3 to 4 years. So I think it's finally time for me to change to a new one. It's pretty simple, there's nothing in it. But I bought this keychain so I can hang it on with my backpack like this. Isn't this so cute? Let's unbox my Yesstlyle package. I got another mascara because it was the best mascara that I've used from Kiss Me. I also got the same eyeliner from Kiss Me but in black instead. This is Pimple Patch for Leo. This is eye patch. I have never used it before. Whoa, 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 okay. And then I got ampoule from Max because I saw a lot of influencers use it, so I want to try it on too. It's much smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I got more toner pads because I'm running out of the one from Mediheal. This one is also from Max. Oh, this one is from Estura. It is new sunscreen. Summer. Oh my god, it is so small. This one is another toner pad from Nambuzin. I don't know. Here's what it looks like. Last but not least, I saw this tea essence from Dr. Suraco. Oh. I got ready this morning, changed my clothes and was getting ready to go out when I realized that it is raining outside. So we have a change of plan. We are not going to work today. I hate rain in Seattle so much. Like I was thinking about why I hate the rain here so much, and it's probably because it is almost June and the rain still has not stopped. It's still cold outside, it's raining so much, and I used to think rain is very relaxing because, you know, of the sound that you can hear them hitting your windows. The rain here does not have any sound at all. It does nothing but make you annoyed. Like, I would rather it rain once, but heavy rain, so you can actually wear an umbrella outside, rather than just raining every single day for 10 months of the year. It's just annoying. And now the sun is gone, even though it's almost June. So that's the life that you have to endure when you're here. Which, this is why I travel so much, guys.
Even more, it's 6:30 now.
And choose limitations here. What's up? Back? Okay, alright.
to our right.
I'll take the parchment paper.
That is, until I join the student council.
Let's switch. I will keep my teeth. I will keep my teeth again.
Because Skylar say it tastes good.
I want to hold on to them just.
When I was in Vietnam, they say that you should exfoliate your skin at least once a week because when you get older, your skin won't regenerate as fast anymore, so you have to like push it. I usually do it at the middle of the week for no particular reason, but I'm just gonna put toner all over my skin, and then I'm using this exfoliator from Paula's Choice. I think this was popular for like a while ago. I'm gonna use that to exfoliate my skin. And then I also have this clay mask from Innisfree. I bought a new set of makeup brushes from M, and it came with this plastic spatula that I heard is very good for applying foundations, but it's also very good at applying face masks on your skin. Especially I don't really like using my hand to apply face masks. This makes it very nice that I don't have to dig my nails in. It's also apply your mask super evenly, not too thick, so that when you wash it later, this comes out easier. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 10 minutes.
Mom just ill at the funny well.
Yeah, good. How was school today?
You.
to the soybean paste stew that we got. Oh, it's funky. Always and will forever be Samangmyeon. When like go to clubs and stuff, it's not my vibe. Restaurants that like pair you up, like men and women. It's a bit of hands over 3 floors. First floor is makeup, beauty tools, raw marinated crabs are these. You need your hands and pour it on to the rice. So this is all the innards. And I cook. I'm a food YouTuber and I care about presentation. Gucci, spring, and fall.
Ngày hôm nay, mình cùng cây người Phi Linh Nguyễn cùng các bạn đi đâu để khám phá? Mọi người ạ, cái bát này sẽ có giá là 30.000, cực kỳ nhiều thủy lúc bưng ra. Thế thì chắc là yêu một cô gái cùng cô cả cuộc đời.
More than a car or a house.
Và hiện tại thì chúng mình đang ngồi tại quán cơm. Nhưng mà kiểu có xoài các thứ mình dễ ăn. Đấy, nên
Let's see.
What lady was that?
I have a workout class, but I have not eaten yet, so hopefully I'll be finding that class. Here is my work outfit. It's from Set Active and it's pretty cute. Same thing.
Like in REI before we go for you. White shoe?
No, I somehow blub it. It blub.
Gym with Apple Vision Pro.
I believe they sell so many ramen. Damn it. Oh no.
What happened?
It like make it blurry.